Hello again. This is Tom Nguyen, Senior Solutions Architect for Liquidware. Today I'm going to briefly explain to you what our FlexApp technology is and how it can enhance your application delivery environment, and also how you can save time by using our FlexApp automation engine. So briefly explaining Liquidware, our product stack is really based upon digital employee experience. We've been working on this for the past few decades before the term DEX was coined. FlexApp is our application portability technology where we layer the application into the OS, allowing you to modularize and move those apps between OSs, between machines, between environments, truly agnostic. But we also have ProfileUnity, which is our advanced user environment management tool, as well as Stratosphere UX, which is our deep forensic technology to get you data about root cause analysis, the health of your environment and such, and also command control, which is our real-time remediation engine. FlexApp is our technology where we can dynamically deliver applications to any Windows desktop, may it be physical, virtual, Flex Direct to IoT devices, Azure, AWS desktops, Citrix, VMware, and also physical. What we truly separate the app from the OS. We also support delivery of your legacy AppV, MSIX technologies as well. Our layering options include, at system boot, at login, click to layer on a more on-demand or a truly offline nature with our FlexApp One portable executable. So we truly support remote work from anywhere. How we differ from traditional software installations, if you look on the left, traditional software installations, your system is getting modified, System 32, program data, registry, all of that's getting modified and tattooed into your operating system. So over time, you're going to have Windows rot and you're going to get degradation in your OS. But with FlexApp and FlexApp One, we're just layering in the bits that are needed for the application to run. So on the right, you see system, program data, System 32, registry, all untouched. We don't write. We just mount and layer and inject. That way, when you're done with the application, it disappears from the OS as if it was never there. But today, we're going to talk about FlexApp packaging automation and how that can improve on your delivery of applications with very minimal effort. And I'll walk you through what that looks like. But ideally, here's what the infrastructure looks like. We have capture machine agents that you just send jobs to in a systematic manner. You just load up the jobs. You send it from the control plane, which is the primary control plane that just communicates with the capture machines. And you set it. And then when you come back the next day after a long weekend, all your FlexApp applications will be there waiting for you to test and deliver. And here in my lab, I'm going to show you there's a defaults.json, which pretty much has all your encrypted passwords on how to go to get your installation media, where to save the jobs when they're completed. And the packages file.json, which I'm going to demonstrate for you here, is just simple settings where you tell our automation capture machines the name of the app you need, where to save the FlexApp when it's completed, the size, and also where the installation media is. And then we chain that in a comma-separated manner. And so I'm going to run through my chain where you have WinSCP, VLC player, PuTTY, the low-lying fruit applications where you don't necessarily want to spin up a machine, go through the manual installation process, save it out, import it into the console. All of this is achieved systematically with our automation capture machines. Here, I'm gonna run the execute automation script that just calls upon those files we just spoke about. Really just setting the precedent for what jobs it needs to do. And here it's going to run through. You see VLCs in a running state, and then also PuTTYs in a running state. And there's other ones that are queued up where WinSCP, WinDirstat, Google Chrome, all of those are queued up. So once the two capture machines are completed with their job, they're just going to revert back to snapshot automatically, clean the OS, and then go through with what it needs to do in order to create these FlexApp packages that you can move between any Windows OS. You can package it on Windows 10, move it to Windows 11, Server 2019, Server 22, send it to your Citrix environment and your physical environment via Intune, or you can send it to your cloud desktop, your cloud DAS machines. If it's Azure, AWS, we're fully compatible with all the major cloud providers. Here the jobs are completed. You see successful next to all of those. And when I go into my FlexApp Liquidware console, do a refresh, all those apps are just there. So now I just need to assign it to my test group, and then when the user logs in, they automatically get those applications layered in from our agent. Thank you for watching.